வணக்கம் சொகுசு அந்த மாப்பு குஞ்சா இந்த ரெண்டு பேர் இருந்தால் அப்படி வாத்தி பாராடு இருந்தார் இல்லையா ஸோ மைபி ஐ என்ன பண்ணணும் I don't know whether it catches correctly or not because I don't no cameraman, only self cameraman. So see, reinforce the camera maybe. Maybe this one is a angled one. It's an angled um, kitchen cabinet door. So because this one it has a multiple ரொம்ப direction திரும்புது. I would have to hang on because it's like a swing door. Hang பண்ணி swing பண்ணோம். So it almost turns to 270 degrees. So yeah, இது வந்து because it's subject to more stress and strain. என் பொண்ணு நம்ம டிசைன் பண்ணுறோம் உடச்சு it's 12 years old. But this is a special thing because it has lot of adjustments plus up, down, sideways, little bit of adjustment. There are all these screws you one there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There also there are 2 screws there. It's all can be adjusted because this is specially made from Austria. It's not locally made. It comes from all the way from Austria. Okay, இப்போ வந்து இது கழட்டிட்டு இது வந்து is a ratchet. I think you know the ratchet. இப்போ normal screwdriver we have to screw that. But a ratchet it does the work. So that means I can just do like this and it does the work automatically. So it screws in automatically and reverse I can turn it. That's all. Okay. So that makes life easier a bit. What I'm going to do, I need to change it. So either I can use it as a normal one like this and take it out. Too tough, I can use the ratchet one. Okay. I need to keep the screws carefully. See, I just do this and then it automatically comes out. Okay, okay. So that's why when the screws came off, I keep the screws safely like this. So okay. Now I'm going to bring the other thing. Where's the spares? Spares actually what's in there? Okay. Just give me a tick, guys. I try to recall it. தண்ணியை போடலாம் ஒன்றும் ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்குது வர. I had it somewhere here, but let me recall it back. Let me recall. I don't know this recording or not. I had it here. I put it here. I left it here. And now where was it? That's right. I normally keep everything organized. It was right in front of my eyes. Okay. But now I can't remember where I left it. This is a papa. Then I'm going to edit it. Okay. Here. Found it. Okay, see the other one also is broken. See, see this one is also broken. Both of them broke almost the same because it's subject to too much of torsion and basically torsion force because it has this one and then this one has a almost like a 110 degree angle or something like that, and these screws can adjust a lot of things. With this screw, see there's a plus here, so use the plus and adjust it so it will move forward, backward. This one also can move forward, backward, and this one can adjust up and down a bit. And here also these screws also will help you to move, like you can see here, the brand new one. This is a brand new one. You can see the flange here. So this one helps to move up and down a bit. This plus up and down this way, and and this one, once you adjust it here, it plays with the angle, whether you want to move forward or backward or something like that. And this one also you can adjust it so that it plays forward and backward here. Okay, so we are going to do ready. Alright, but I don't know whether this is going to work or not. I don't know. Hang on. So this one actually was sitting here. Yep. So this one has to go in here. Ah, which one? This is screw around. Very clever. Very, very clever. No, hang on. The screws has to go in this one, this one. Because this one is an adjustment screw as well. Okay, plus or minus adjustment one. So, this is the screw. So, that's the screwdriver. The nail down pad, see, so when the nail down pad is there, it's more easier. I don't know whether the camera catches or not because I'm doing it all myself and there's no cameraman to help me. Wait with me just a little bit. So now I'm going to turn it back. Okay. Easy as. Alright guys, maybe okay. Do this. See now, it's too close, right? It's too close here. If this doesn't go or fit into my cabinet, so what I can do is that I can always adjust using these screws. Once I adjust this one, I can move this backward and forward, and also this one also can. When I adjust it here, this one comes move this way a bit here, and there are a lot of adjustments here, so we can always play with that. Yeah, one more touch. After the other end. That's the other end. Okay. Take out the screws. Take out the screws. And so over here, there's that two broken ones, two fixed here. I will take it back inside the home and fix it. Where if it doesn't actually fit it in, I will just play with this ones and adjust it and fit it in. இதை மாற்றுறதுக்கு கூப்பிட்டோம்னா போக வர சார்ஜ் அவனுக்கு வந்து கம்மிங் இன் சார்ஜ் will be $100 minimum $100 கேட்பானுங்க. அப்புறமா the பார்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து they will charge 25 50 because even when I buy in the special shop, it's a special shop because it's imported one. அதனால் ஸோ $10 ஈச் 10 20 வெள்ளி தான் ஆச்சு. அவனுக்கு வந்து 25 வாங்கிடுவானுங்க. வாங்கிட்டு 100 150 அப்புறம் லேபர் ஒரு மணி நேரம் 10 மினிட்ஸ் போனால் மினிமம் 1 hour சார்ஜ் பண்ணுவானுங்க. ஸோ $70 சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ 100 150 + 70 220 இந்த சரி 220 வேணும். 220 நான் எப்படி கணக்கு பண்ணுவேன்? 5 ஷாம்பேன் போத்தல் 5 ஷாம்பேன் போத்தல். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் ஹவ் இட் ஒர்க்ஸ். நம்ம பியர் கணக்கு பார்த்தோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. பியர் கணக்கில் பார்த்தோம்னா சே ஈஸிலி 4 or 5 ஸ்லாப்ஸ் வாங்க. ஒரு ஸ்லாப்னா கேனா வாங்கினா 30, போத்தலை வாங்கினா 24. சரியா? அப்போ கணக்கு பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 150 கேன் இல்லைன்னா 524 520 120 140 140 bottles of beer. அதே அவனுக்கு கொடுப்பானே. Okay, I can buy some things for kids, some things like that. So அது மாதிரி பண்ணி பண்றதால தான் so all the handyman work and all I do it myself. Cheers guys, have a good one.